I saw Russell Westbrook, and he was coming down the court as if the moon and the stars had connected with each other, kind of like when KRS-One came up with that album BDP, Boogie Down Productions. He was boogieing down, but at the same time, if you think about the color orange, it really don't rhyme with anything. So when he was trying to pass the ball, it just seemed as if it was rice cakes. Now when you eat into a rice, it's like, what did you talk? You talking about rice cakes, oranges, bananas, Boogie Down Productions? Like, did you watch the game last night? Was my question. You know what I'm saying? So that's my dad. You know.
Gotcha.
Yeah. That's my pops.
Now he's out. It looks like he's doing well for himself.
Yeah, man. He's doing his thing, man.
Wife,
shout out to Ford.
Car. Yeah.
Shout out to Ford, man.
That's dope. Must have been a great feeling to buy your dad a car.
Yeah, that was real cool, man. Got him a nice little car, and you know, he was able to take his artwork different places, and didn't really have to rely on people saying, "Hey, I'm gonna come pick you up. I'll be there in 5 minutes," and never show up, or you know, him riding a bus or catching taxis and cabs and all that type of stuff. Like he can just get up and go whenever he wants.
You stay there. There's fucking 3 of them. Show 3 of them all. Stay all. Right, his knees hurts. Shh. Fuck, there he